Hello, teacher. Good evening. How are you? I usually go to the supermarket every 15 days to buy food. I guess about an hour while I choose the products and compare the prices. These are the prices of the products. Apple juice costs 7,000 pesos. Bridge costs 5,000 pesos. Campus costs 2,000 pesos. Banana costs 2,000 pesos. Apples cost 3,000 pesos. Eggs cost 5,000 pesos. Cheese costs 20,000 pesos. And milk costs 10,000 pesos. Juice, milk, and cheese are very expensive. I won't buy them. Apples, eggs, and bananas are cheap. I will buy them. Bread and compost had affordable prices. I will also buy them. Thank you, teacher. Good night.